Hi, here are the most common mistakes to avoid in the CLAT 2025 application form. Number 1. Rushing to submit the application form. Please do not rush. The last date to apply is 15th of October. It's a costly form. You must avoid making any mistakes in the application form. Selecting the wrong gender, which cannot be changed at a later stage. Be careful about this. Number 3. If you do not select yes to the question, are you availing the facility of NRI sponsored? In this case, you will not be eligible for admissions to the universities offering NRI sponsored seats. You must be careful about uploading the certificates in the application form. Your application might get rejected because of wrong certificate uploaded. 5th, you must be careful while selecting the reservation categories for each of the national law universities. You can only select your domicile for one of the particular national law university, not for everyone. So when you are submitting the application form, check it thoroughly. If you want to know more about in detail how to submit the application form step by step, watch my video. The link is given in the I button.